Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for DoorDash driver program. Open the website at doordash.com or / driver / sign up. So once you are on the website, the first thing to do is enter your zip or postal code. Then click on next. Now enter a valid email address. After that, enter your phone number and click on continue. Now on this page, enter all the required information such as your legal first name, middle name and last name. However, if you do not have a middle name, click on the tick box beside no middle name. After entering, click on continue. Then here, select your vehicle type. After selecting, enter further information about your vehicle. Then at the bottom, you will see a question asking if you have a vehicle insurance. If yes, click on the tick box. Once you entered all the required information, click on continue. Now you need to verify your identity by scanning your driver license. To proceed, click on the continue button. First, take a photo of your driver license by clicking on the take a photo button. So they need to make sure if it's really you. Click on the take a photo button. Position your face to the camera and follow the on-screen instructions when to turn your face left and right. You could also do this to another device by clicking on the continue on another device button. If you also like to do this on other device, you need to verify your identity. Here, I choose to verify via sending an SMS. Once you've selected the verification method, enter your phone number if you select SMS or your email address if you select the send email option. Then click on send secure link. Then this message will appear saying that they already sent the secure link. Once verified, this message will appear. To proceed, click on continue. On this page, you will be having a background check. So enter all the required information and after entering, click on continue. Now review all the details and read the disclosure. Also, if you wish to receive a copy of your background check report, click on the tick box beside receive a free copy of my background check report. After that, click on continue. Once you are on this page, you will see the progress of your application. As you can see, it says that your background check is being processed. Once the process has been completed, you will receive an email saying that your account is ready to go and you are officially a dasher. So that's how you sign up for the DoorDash driver program. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.